Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest in tech and gadgets to help you make informed choices. Today, we're diving into the Happyrun Tank G60, an electric bike that promises both speed and value. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk design. The Tank G60 looks sleek and sturdy, resembling a fast moped with its compact frame and powerful stance. It comes equipped with a range of features that caught my eye right away. From the powerful headlight and brake light to the convenient turn signals. Plus, I love the key start mechanism for added security. How does it perform? Well, it certainly delivers on the open road. On flat pavement, I was easily hitting around 28 miles per hour using just the throttle. And with a bit of pedaling, crossing that 30 miles per hour mark was a breeze. However, let's not overlook the fact that it's a bit sluggish off the line. Getting going from a dead stop can be a challenge, especially in traffic. Speaking of challenges, let's talk about the riding experience. The G60 is heavier than your average e-bike, tipping the scales at 75 pounds. This weight, combined with its less than peppy motor, can make uphill climbs a bit of a struggle. If you're planning to tackle hilly terrain regularly, you might want to consider the Pro version with a stronger motor and larger battery. Now, battery life is always a concern with e-bikes. Happyrun claims a range of over 60 miles, but in real-world testing, I found it closer to 20 miles, especially when using the throttle extensively. Keeping an eye on the battery can be tricky, as the gauges aren't always reliable. I often relied on the battery's built-in meter for a more accurate reading. So, should you get the Happyrun Tank G60? Well, if you're looking for an affordable moped-style e-bike that's great for cruising around town or light off-road adventures, the G60 could be a solid choice, especially if you can snag it on sale. It's packed with features that make it feel like a bargain, from the robust design to the comfortable ride experience. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Happyrun Tank G60, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ride safe and stay curious.